Alki Beach in Seattle. Sunset Pine Mountains. So it was a good day. I got to go up and do a SAFD knife renewal at Theater Puget Sound in Seattle Center with some old friends. Went well for 4 recommended passes. And then the 3 people who weren't testing didn't test. Yeah, got to grab some food because folk life was going on. They had food booths and music and dancing. The drive up, weather's been gorgeous, so clear views of the mountains. Going past all these places. You know, I remember walking with my kid on this beach, my first kid, when she was a tiny little baby. She's now just finished her 2nd year of college. Yeah, lots of memories driving past places where I remember having dinners with friends or working on shows, or as well as a lot of buildings that aren't there anymore. Like, oh, that's where I used to work for 10 years and it's now gone. It's a giant skyscraper, and that's where a different theater used to be and isn't anymore. But, you know, that's life. And despite all the bleak and horrible things happening right now in the world, and especially in our country, you know, right now, can't complain.